Aishwarya and I'll be sharing with you a wonderful Shadi season makeup look. Since Shadi is around the corner, I thought that we should do some lookbooks and Shadi makeup looks so that you could go out with any function whichever you wanted. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video.
So as you can see, I have prepped my skin with primer, moisturizer, concealer and foundation and everything and a setting powder. I will be starting off with the eyeshadow routine. Now for the eyeshadow, I am using the Maybelline New York, the Blush Nudes collection eyeshadow palette from their range. I am using the right down corner color for the outer corner and the darker shade for the eye. Use it from the end of your eye to the middle of your eye and a bit over the crease. Keep blending the dark color so that it gets completely smoothened out, and if you want, you can use an angled brush eyeshadow brush to do this because it'll give you that exact cut that you need around the corner of the eye. Keep blending because as you smoothen out the eye area, it will be in a better shape. Next, I'm using a fluffy brush and inserting the light pink glitter shade in the inner corner of my eye. Now this is very intimidating. Actually, it is very good because it gives the pop to your eye and it also leaves in the smoky texture that you need for the eye. What I love about this look is that you get the effect of the smokiness, but still your eyes don't look small because neither do I have large eyes or small eyes. I have medium sized eyes, which I specifically don't like using completely smoky eye looks with. So this is my go-to smoky eye look by enhancing the inner corners and darkening the outer corners. This is also a very modern look for as of now because this is how the ombre effect has been going on for the past 1 year, whether it be hair or makeup or anything. In the most innermost corner of your eye, put the lightest shade of pink if possible because that will open up your eye completely. Now, I am not focusing on giving a complete dark look to your eyes, like dark smoky eyes, but what I'm focusing on is to just give it the right kind of smoky eye which will go with my eyes. It may or may not go with yours, but maybe it might just go with yours. What I think is personally my point of view. But I would actually want that you all try this look out. Next, you can blend in the darkest shade which you've used in your eye and on the lower lash line so that you give a bit of a definition to your eyes. You can blend it with your fingers so that you give a bit of a smoky look on your lower lash line. I have used no kajal and no liner because I wanted to only give this look that the smoky eye held. Next, I'm curling my eyelashes so that they're completely curved and I could give them the dramatic look which I want. Mascaras are my favorite thing on this planet, I guess. I love what mascaras do and I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Gently move your brush against your lashes so that you can give it a volumizing look. Keep it light and gentle though. It will actually help you give the exact eye look. What I'm mainly focusing on is the eyeshadow because that is what you need to focus while you're doing it. That is why I haven't put the liner and the kajal in my eyes. So dab in the mascara which you have. I would suggest 2 coats. Now doing 2 coats, give a break of 30 seconds in between so that the earlier coat dries up. Also coat the lower lash line. Next, I'll be doing this contour to my cheekbones so that I give that texture of getting right cut to my face. I am doing a bit of a dark brown shade to my contour so that people can see what I've actually done, because when you're outside, you're in the middle of the shadi, people generally tend to see it better when you've got more of it. What is to be done is that you need to blend it more and more so that you don't have any rough lines. Keep blending. If you have any problem, you could, or if you think that you put on too much of contouring, then you can obviously go in back with your foundation brush and set it in again, or a beauty blender if you use it. Next, I am just applying this cherry pink shade of lipstick, which will go with my dress. As you can see, it matches my kurta completely. I chose this look because I feel that this is today's modern look, and I hope you guys like it. Do leave in your comments in the comment section below. Like our videos if you like it. This is the final look. Just pair a bit of a small bindi or a large bindi, whichever goes with your face. And I guess you're good to go with it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel and like our videos and share them with your friends.